Here is part 2 of chapter 24. By the time they grabbed Peter's pack and crossed the street, the bus was already idling at the station. While Vola went to the ticket counter, Peter made his way to the group waiting to board. A shiver of currents scurried up his spine. It was the same thrill that juiced him every time an umpire called, "Play ball!" Vola handed Peter the ticket. Lying in his hand, it looked too small for the power it contained. "I'm going to get there, and I'm going to find him. Thank you." The bus door cranked open and Vola leaned in. She pointed a warning finger at the driver. "Robert, this boy is family. He's been visiting and now he's going home. You see he gets there safe and sound." She stepped away, and an elderly couple began their shaky climb aboard. Peter shifted his backpack and crutches. He took a step toward the bus, and then he turned back. "I'm family? That's as true a thing as I've ever known. Now get on that bus." The steps were tall, but Peter hoisted himself up with ease. He took a seat up front and gave Vola a thumbs up through the grimy glass. He was strong now. He was prepared. But when the air brakes hissed their release, he gripped the armrest. It was going to hurt a lot to watch her getting smaller and smaller. Vola motioned for him to slide that window open when the bus growled into gear. "Boy," she called up as it lurched away from the curb, "I'm going to leave the porch door open." That is the end of 24.